co-parenting Anvi, right?
Yeah.
Because you are now legally divorced after your marriage with a popular music composer GV Prakash for 12 years, right? And now that you're co-parenting a child, how does that pan out?
When it comes to parenting, Anvi, GV and I are on the same page. So co-parenting is a difficult job. So because the child is here, a child is also there sometimes. So when it is a no here, it should be a no there also. That is the first thing that we discussed about. So when Amma says no, Appa also should say no for the same reason. Or when Appa says no, Amma also will say no. It is not like, okay, இங்கே நடத்திக்கலன்னா அங்கே போய் நடத்திக்கலாம். If things are not okay there, அப்போ இங்கே அது வந்து never give that option. Because see, not only her, but any child for that matter, for survival, they are manipulative. அது manipulative சொல்றதோட that is their survival skill. யார்கிட்ட காரியம் ஆனமோ அங்கே போய் சாட்சிக்கிறது. All the children, they go towards their grandparents if they want something done because they know parents are strict. அந்த மாதிரி. So அப்படி இப்போ when we are in two different houses, one thing, we don't fight. Okay, we don't fight or yell or anything. So she's never seen us fighting, and that is actually making this process a little more easier on her. Okay, because she's not having a traumatic household where people are constantly fighting and அந்த மாதிரி கிடையாது. We are very mature people. We have our differences, but we don't yell, we don't shout, we don't fight. So we decided we'll go separate ways while we are cordial to each other, instead of making it much worse.